We're back here at Judy's Keto Kitchen, Keto Naturopath's Kitchen, and I have another really special treat for you today. It's Carnivore Cheese-Its. It's also keto, low carb, Ketovore, but one ingredient, Carnivore Cheese-Its. They're great. This is how we make them. So you take thinly sliced, sharp cheddar cheese, and I got the orange kind, and it's the very thin slice, not the regular slice, the very thin slice. I got this at my Harris Teeter store. So you just cut each slice into fours, place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet. You're going to bake this in a 250-degree Fahrenheit oven for 30 minutes, depending on your oven, but 30 to 35 minutes. Then you're going to take them out of the oven, let them cool completely, because initially they're going to be hot and they'll be all flexible, so let them cool completely. Take them off the parchment paper once they're completely cooled. So I'm going to put these in the oven for 30 minutes. I'll just put them over here for the oven. And this is what you get. Oh, now does that look like a real Cheez-It or what? Yum. They're crispy like Cheez-Its. They got a little bite to them. If you wanted to put some spices on them, you could. I choose not to. But Carnivore Cheez-Its. Great to bring to parties so you can stay carnivore. You don't have to worry about eating junk at parties and cookouts. Enjoy.